Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So a few days ago, I finished reading Beach Read by Emily Henry. I can't stop thinking about this book. So although the title makes you think it's going to be a light, sort of guilty pleasure kind of read, that was not the case. It had so much heart and soul. Now, the plot follows a girl named January. She's a romance writer who is questioning her own belief in happy endings. So she moves to a small town in Michigan to complete her next book. And to her surprise, her next door neighbor is also an author. It's an acclaimed author named Augustus Everett. He writes literary fiction, and he was also her college rival. When the two of them are faced with writer's block, they challenge each other to write a book in the other person's genre, and they make a bet to see whose book will be more successful. Now, to help aid their creative process, they go on these weekly dates for inspiration, and in doing so, they start to learn more about the other person's perspective of the world and why they choose to write the genre that they do. And of course, they end up falling for each other. So it was a really sweet story. I found the main characters to be endearing and very relatable. I loved the dialogue. The witty banter between the two of them was just so enjoyable to read. And as their relationship was developing, I felt like I could really feel what they were feeling. Now, although this book is considered by many to be a rom-com, it does examine things like grief, mourning, and challenging your own perspective. So I was really surprised by how much I took from this book. I adored it so much. I'm going to keep this book because it's a story I definitely want to relive again, and that is my point of view.